How to add a follow button on Facebook profile. Hello everyone, this is Sabjina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, open your Facebook application, then tap on the menu bar. After that, go to settings. Now, go to followers and public content. After that, make all these public, and next what you will have to do is go to try professional mode and turn it on. Now all your friends will be turned into followers like this. Confirm, and now make your professional dashboard. After that, you will be having a follow button on your profile, and also your friends will be converted into followers. So you can see I have a follow button instead of add friend now. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.